ain't got no giblets. Do my ears deceive me? Mr. Squidward!
Mr. Krabs, I can explain.
How could you, Mr. Squidward? You were like a son to me. And in November, at the register?
I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs. I didn't think you would notice.
I'm gonna have some time. Some time to think this over, Mr. Squidward.
Mr. Krabs, please. I'll do anything. There's plenty here for the both of us.
It's too late for that, Mr. Squidward. The deed has already been done.
Then what am I supposed to do, Mr. Krabs? I was almost done mixing this Jell-O.
Jell-O? You were making Jell-O.
Well, yeah. What else would I be doing behind the register at lunchtime?
Oh, this whole time I thought you were jerking off behind the register. All right, carry on then. Howdy-ho, Krusty Crew. Oh, dear Neptune! Squidward, what are you doing?
Oh, you know, just busting a nut.
Oh, and I thought you were making Jell-O or something.